In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a page into a live doc in Confluence. This is really useful when you want to make an existing Confluence page more dynamic and collaborative, especially if your team relies on real-time updates and richer document-style formatting. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Confluence space. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence account and you're on the correct space. Start by navigating to the page you want to convert. This could be an existing project brief, a meeting note, or any standard Confluence page that you'd like to upgrade into a live document. Simply click on the page title in the sidebar or from your list of recent pages to open it. Once the page is open, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see the Edit button there. Go ahead and click on Edit to open the page in editing mode. This puts you into the editor where you can normally change text, add images, and adjust the content. With the page now in edit mode, we're going to access some additional options. In the same upper area of the screen, near the edit controls, look for the icon with 3 dots. This is often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots to expand the advanced options for this page. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take on the page. Among those options, look for the one that says Convert to Live Doc. This is the command that changes your current page into a live document. When you see it, click on Convert to Live Doc. After you click it, Confluence will process the change. You may see a brief loading indicator while the page is being converted. Once the conversion is complete, your page will function as a live doc. That means it's better optimized for real-time collaboration, inline editing, and a more document-like experience for your team. From here, you can continue editing the content as usual and then publish your changes. Anyone with access to the page will see it as a live doc going forward without needing to recreate the page from scratch. And that's